Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and a backup, because the green snake shows a boot loop tied to software or battery issues. First, force restart the watch. Press and hold the digital crown and side button until the logo. Once done, make sure it's charged above 50% and connected to your iPhone with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active, so restore steps can complete. Then check the watch app on your iPhone for recent backups. This ensures you can recover data if you must erase and reinstall the OS. Now you focus on reinstalling Watch OS because the green snake often means corrupted system files. If the watch responds, erase it from the watch app. General, reset, erase Apple Watch content and settings, then restore from backup. If it's frozen, put the watch into recovery mode and connect to a Mac via USB cable and Apple Watch magnetic charging dock. Use Finder or iTunes to reinstall the OS. Make sure both devices stay powered and avoid interruptions. Since finish by completing the setup and verifying functionality. You want apps, notifications, and health data to sync correctly with your iPhone. If the green snake persists after reinstall, it may be hardware, battery, or storage failure, so contact Apple support or schedule an in-store diagnostic. A final troubleshooting tip. Perform a DFU-level restore only when necessary, because it erases all data and can fix deep firmware corruption. Use it as a last resort and only after confirming backups exist, since you will lose unsaved data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.